Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So as you can see from the title, today I'm gonna give you the reasons why you have to stop shaving down there. I know many people do shave down there, but if you follow my channel, you'll know that I do really preach against shaving down there. Now, obviously, about 70% of women like to keep, down the hair free. And there are so many options you can choose from, but many people do shave because they think is faster, is easier, and you can't get it wrong. Now, the very first reason to stop shaving down there is the fact that you get ingrown hair. Yes, if you agree with me, especially those with very sensitive skin, if you continue shaving, you get a lot of ingrown hair, and this will create the bumps that you don't like, and it will end up making it look very terrible. Not only is this unpleasant to look at, but sometimes it can be very painful and make you feel very uncomfortable, especially during the hot seasons. And for those of you with very sensitive skin, you end up having razor bumps. And for ladies, this can be very uncomfortable and embarrassing, especially if you have to put on a bikini. Or obviously, if somebody will have to look at it, it doesn't really look attractive. Now, another reason you have to stop shaving down there is the fact that it irritates your skin. Yes, especially for those with very sensitive skin. If you continue shaving down there, it irritates the skin over there. As you know, the skin over there is very sensitive, and if it is irritated, the pores are open and infections become very easy to get. You can easily break out, and it sometimes becomes itchy, especially during the hot seasons, and it can be very uncomfortable, especially if you are in a public place and you cannot scratch. It's a very uncomfortable situation. Now, another reason you have to stop shaving down there is due to hyperpigmentation, especially with women of color. If you continue shaving, you realize that it becomes a little bit darker down there as compared to the other parts of your body. You don't have that even complexion over there, and sometimes this can be very embarrassing, especially if you have to wear bikini, especially if another person will have to see the place. Hyperpigmentation is not cute, and consistent shaving causes this. So if you continue shaving, you have a very high possibility of developing hyperpigmentation down there. Now, another reason why you have to stop shaving down there is that it's very expensive as compared to other hair removal methods. You might think it's not expensive, but it is. If you want to get a very good razor, you might spend about $10 or 10 euros, and you're gonna get about 5 razor sticks. And if you are somebody who likes to keep the place very hairless through shaving, you will end up shaving every 3 days. And if you don't want to get any irritation, or if you want to avoid bumps or infections, you will usually have to change your shaving sticks. So you will end up using about the whole packet of shaving stick in about 10 days, and you would have to buy another one after 10 days. So if you calculate this, and if you look at other hair removal methods, shaving is very expensive. Now, you are gonna agree with me that everybody who shaves down there wants to keep the place hairless. But if you want to keep the place hairless, shaving is the wrong method, because if you continue shaving, the hair is gonna grow faster and stronger, and this means that you are not gonna stay hairless for so long. So if you really want to keep the place hairless, why would you want to shave and grow the hair back in 3 days? I mean, it can be very annoying to keep on shaving. As you know, shaving is very high maintenance, because if you want to keep the place hairless, you would have to shave about 3 times in a week, and I don't think you have the time for that. Now, the final reason why you have to stop shaving down there is the fact that when the hair grows back, it is harder, and it feels like pins and needles. It feels like cactus, and it's very uncomfortable to touch. You know how you don't want to put your face on a man's face after he shaves for, about 3 days? Yes, it feels like pins and needles pinching you. That is the same effects with shaving. If you shave and the hair grows back after 3 days or after 4 days, it's gonna feel like pins and needles, and it's gonna be uncomfortable. If you have a partner, he wouldn't even like to touch it because it's not soft to the touch, it's not smooth to the touch, it's not comfortable. Nobody wants to have pins and needles on their skin. So it's another reason why I really talk against shaving down there. Okay guys, so I hope you do agree with me. Let me know in the comment section, do you agree, don't you agree? There are so many other options you can go for which are cheaper and it takes a longer time to grow, and after it grows softer and it becomes pleasant to touch just compared to the shaving. So this is it guys, and I hope you liked it. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.